For the past 48 hours, the streets of Bihar have echoed with the protests of doctors who should have been saving lives in the hospitals. Instead, they were fighting for their own right to serve. Hello everyone and welcome to Straight Up by LX Live. I am Sharda Dasa and today we're diving into the journey of Bihar FMGs and their ongoing struggles to secure internships. The foreign medical graduates had cleared the foreign medical graduate examination way back in January 2025. But 5 long months later, their journey was stuck in limbo as they still hadn't been allowed to start their compulsory rotating medical internships or CRMI. And without this internship, their dreams of becoming registered doctors remained just that, dreams. So what went wrong? Well, the crisis began when Bihar's medical authorities released the internship allotment list not once but twice. First on April 17, and it was pulled back due to a printing error. Then a corrected list came out on April 22nd, only to be scrapped again. This time over alleged violations of National Medical Commission guidelines. After that, silence. No updates, no accountability, just endless waiting. Fed up with broken promises, these determined doctors took to the street. From Tuesday, for 48 hours, they protested outside the Bihar Council of Medical Registration, demanding what was rightfully theirs, a chance to start their internships and serve the people of Bihar. Dr. Vaibhav, an FMG from Kyrgyzstan, shared the emotional and financial toll of this journey. He recalled how he had to cook, manage everything on his own and push through all the challenges that come with being far from home in a different country. The investment was enormous, 30 lakh rupees from his family, symbolizing not just money but collective dreams and sacrifices. Pranav, another FMG, shared his worries too. His parents, both over 60, carried the burden of significant loans for his education. There's a constant weight on his shoulders to succeed now, start earning and relieve them of that burden. Finally, their perseverance did pay off. On June 4th, the much-awaited internship list was signed by the health department. The struggle, the sleepless nights, the protests, it all led to this moment of victory. But is this victory final? That's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for more updates. This is Sharda Dasa signing off. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious.